If you're skipping like this, it kind of looks cool. If you're like a basic bounce, so you're doing a boxer step. But what we're doing is we're putting a lot of stress here. Like it's just too much. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today I've got a very cool beginner tutorial to teach you guys how to actually rotate a skipping rope. Now I've got loads of videos like these on my channel, and I know I talk about it a lot, but it's very, very important. There's one thing that I see a lot of beginners doing, and I'm going to get you, well, I'm going to stop you from doing it today, okay? And I'm going to teach you the right way. But if you really want to know more about this, go check out my tutorials playlist on this channel and it will get you started the right way. Again, remember, if you are new to this channel, welcome guys. This is the home again of skipping. Gonna get you guys skipping like a boss. Hit those links down below, grab your skipping ropes. We have the most in-demand ropes on the planet, hands down. Also got some cool mats, some cool accessories, and really nice cool apparel that we're rocking today. So peeps, what we're talking about here is wrist positioning, and I talk about this subject a lot, okay, because it's really important on how you guys can achieve skills, how you guys can achieve fluidity, how you guys can achieve just smoothness, really nice rope arcs, really nice curves, really sexy curves, and that's what we're looking for, okay? But what beginners tend to do, and also how they damage their ropes in the process, is they use their thumbs and wrists incorrectly, and what they do is they create these really horrible kind of right angles when they're moving this rope around. So one thing that I'm gonna stop you from doing today, it's gonna be a really quick tutorial, peeps, is I want you to stop feeling like your thumbs are facing like upwards, okay? So like at this 45-degree angle here. So what people do sometimes when they skip is they skip like this. And what you're doing when you do this, guys, is if I imagine I'm spinning this rope around me, I'm gonna just jump a little bit in front of this camera. If I'm doing this, right? If I'm bending this handle down this way, and this rope is now going this way, right? Imagine it's putting a lot of stress at this base, right? At the base of the handle, and you're gonna start to eat and tear away at this rope, all right? Now, also what this does is when you are skipping like this, so I'm just gonna do some basic bounce, okay? So imagine you're this beginner now, right? Which a lot of you would be watching right now, and you're skipping up like this, right? So if we can get a close up on the wrists right now, what happens is if you're like up here, have a look at these handles, okay? These handles sometimes are facing upwards. A lot of beginners do this. Now you'd think, okay, look, this looks all smooth. The way I'm skipping right now, even when I'm tripping actually, we'll get to that in a minute. If you're skipping like this, it kind of looks cool. If you're like a basic bounce, so you're doing a boxer step. But what we're doing is we're putting a lot of stress here. Like it's just too much. And also what that's gonna do is gonna kill your speed. It's gonna kill your speed instantly because it's harder to rotate a rope that's being like placed in angles like this. So what we're gonna do to fix this right now, okay, is we're gonna make sure that you now feel like your thumbs are gonna go around with this rope. Again, it's a tip that I talk about all the time, but we're gonna really stress it and emphasize it again, okay? You're not gonna feel like your thumbs just stick here and that you just rotate your wrist. You're actually gonna feel like your knuckles and your hands move with the rope. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna put less stress here. You're gonna get no tears, no breaks, and you're also gonna get nicer, smoother, cleaner revolutions, and you can also obtain more speed. When you're thinking about now your knuckles, your wrists, now feel like your thumbs go forward with the rope, and you'll see like now my wrists actually move with the rope and the angles are changed now. So before we were up here, okay, handles facing sort of upwards to the sky. Now we're just kind of leveling this out. Handles are a little bit more horizontal or kind of like parallel to the floor. But now when we're spinning this rope, especially when we're doing things like double unders or any faster moves, now you rotate with the rope. So that's what it was, guys. Really quick tutorial. A lot of beginners fall into this trap of keeping their wrists really locked in here, right? Creating these angles, ruining their ropes, ruining their speeds. And in my opinion, it doesn't look as smooth or slick as you can be when you're really just nice and comfortable. Hopefully that helps you guys. It's a really nice, easy tutorial to follow, hopefully. Listen, weather's beautiful out here in the UK. Hopefully you got some good weather out there. You can get out, get your skipping done, go to the gym, do it from your back garden, inside your house. This is the coolest tool you'll have in your arsenal, people, to get you guys looking fit all year round, feeling fit, feeling healthy. Give this video a big thumbs up, people. That'd be really useful for me. Drop a subscribe if you're new as well to this channel, and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see going forward, and I'll get it done for you as usual. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.